Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your board fees. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 2 nutrition in animal part 6. Dear student, in the last video we discussed buccal cavity. In this video we will discuss oesophagus and stomach. So let's start. The oesophagus or food pipe is a muscular tube like passage from mouth to the stomach. Dear student, the chewed food is pushed into a long narrow muscular tube that is called what? Food pipe or the oesophagus. No digestion takes place here. The wall of oesophagus have a muscle that contract and relax alternately in wave-like manner to push the bolus down the tube into the stomach. I will show you in the figure, dear students. Constriction and relaxation bolus, that is a food mixed with the saliva. Peristalsis in the oesophagus. Dear students, when the slightly digested food entered into the food pipe, the wall of a oesophagus start contracting and expanding and push that food into the down into the stomach. The pushing and down by the wall of a oesophagus in a wave-like manner, and that action is called what? Peristalsis. Dear students, we will discuss further. These wave-like movements are called peristaltic movement or peristalsis. Figure 2.10 I earlier showed to you. Dear students, now you understood what is the peristalsis or peristaltic movement. That pushing down of a food by the wall of oesophagus in a wave-like action, that is called what? Peristalsis. So now students, both the windpipe and the food pipe have a common passage at the pharynx. Dear students, we cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. A flap-like structure is called what? Epiglottis. Dear students, as I told you, we cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. When the food is swallowed, a flap-like valve, that is called what? Epiglottis. Prevents food from the entering the windpipe. If we talk and laugh while eating or swallowed food too quickly, the epiglottis may not close completely. Dear student, that epiglottis closes the passage of windpipe and guide the food into a oesophagus. If by chance food particles enter into the windpipe, it gets choked and result in cough or hiccup. This may cause the food entered into the windpipe making as a cough, choke or hiccup. Dear students, by chance if the food particles enter into the windpipe, it gets choked. Result what? Result is hiccup. Now come to the stomach, dear students. Stomach is J-shaped, thick-walled, bag-like muscular organs located in the left side of the abdomen. From the oesophagus, the food goes to the stomach. Dear students, the stomach is J-shaped, thick-walled organs present in the left side of the abdomen. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal and can hold up to 2 liters of food at the time. Dear students, it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. The inner wall of the stomach contain also gastric juice. The cells lining of a stomach secretes digestive juice. These digestive juices. So the dear student, stomach contain what? Gastric glands. These glands secrete what? Gastric juice or the digestive juice. Hydrochloric acid and the mucus. Dear students, while these digestive juices which contains three substances, hydrochloric acid, mucus and also pepsin. The digestive juice help in digestion of proteins. Hydrochloric acid kill the microbes that enter the body with the food. Dear student, hydrochloric acid kill the many harmful bacteria that enter with the food, and it's make the medium in the stomach acidic, which enhance the action of digestive enzymes. Now, food remains in the stomach for about 4 hours and is churned into the paste. This partially digested food is called chyme. Dear students, one line is left, so go for that line first. Mucus protect that inner lining of the stomach from the action of hydrochloric acid. Earlier I told you it makes a medium in the stomach acidic, which enhance the action of the digestive enzyme. Dear students, mucus protect the inner lining of our stomach from action of hydrochloric acid. Dear student, mucus protect the inner lining of our stomach from the action of enzymes and acid. Food remains in the stomach for about 4 hours and is churned into a paste. Dear student, in this acidic medium, pepsin digests the proteins of the food and simple soluble substance that is called what? Pepsinose. And dear student, consequently the food convert into a partial digest and semi-solid substance that is called what? Chyma. The chyma passes into the small intestine for further digestion. Dear students, that chyma leaves the stomach and enters the small intestine. So dear students, hope you understood oesophagus and stomach. You have to read this paragraph. This is your homework. Thank you students. Stay home. Be safe.